In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove App Store verification. Now, while it's important to note that you can't completely eliminate all forms of verification for purchases, there are a few steps we can take to significantly reduce how often you're prompted for it. Let's dive in. First, grab your device and navigate to the Settings app. Just give it a tap. This is where most of our adjustments will happen. Once you're in settings, scroll down a little until you find either Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode depending on the model of your device. Go ahead and tap on that. In this section, we want to focus on your biometric settings. If you've got iTunes and App Store toggled on, you'll want to switch it off. This step disables biometric verification for App Store downloads and purchases, which is a significant first step in cutting down those pesky prompts. Next, head back to your main settings page. From here, scroll down to the screen time section, tap it and then find content and privacy restrictions. This area is key for us. It gives you control over lots of settings regarding content and purchases. Inside, you'll see an option that says iTunes and App Store purchases. Give that a tap too. Once you're in, look for where it says require password. This is where we can make a big difference. Set this option to never, but keep in mind that this change only applies to free downloads. It's crucial to remember that for paid purchases, Apple still mandates some form of verification for the sake of security, so you can't remove everything. Now let's step back and talk about what all this means for you. By following these steps, you have effectively removed a good portion of the verification process for non-paid apps and content. And while it's impossible to fully bypass verification for paid items, these tweaks will at least ease the burden for any future free downloads. Safety and security are always important, which is why Apple insists on some checks when money is involved, but for day-to-day convenience, these steps should help simplify your experience significantly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to minimizing verification prompts on the App Store. I hope this helps streamline your interactions with the App Store and makes your digital life just that little bit easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos where we deep dive into tech tips that make the everyday user experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly simplified download process.